Did you know that the decision of divorce can either make your life hell or it can be extremely beautiful, just like heaven? But initially, when you are in the process of making that decision, you invite a lot of troubles, problems, and an insane amount of questions that no one can answer, and it becomes really overwhelming. And you might be right now in that state. Right now, you are probably in the process of making that life changing decision, right? I have faced the same problem with the decision of divorce, and let me quickly share you. But you might be thinking who I am to talk about. So let me introduce myself quickly to you. My name is Aparna Jadhav. I am proudly divorced and a single mom. I'm certified relationship resilience coach as well. Aparna Jadhav, who has been where you are. I help women going through separation and divorce to make their life more beautiful and meaningful. So, a few weeks ago, one of my clients raised a question about the problems women face when they're making the decision about it. There are many, but let us understand a few of them today. I want to know if you're asking the same questions to yourself. Do let me know. Yeah. Is it worth it? Is it the right thing to do? How do I know that it is time for me to leave? How do I know if it's the right decision for my children? What if my life would be worse after divorce? I will be alone. Who will be with me? Tell me, don't these questions keep haunting you all the time? I've been there and I've done that. And now, trust me, I'm living a beautiful life. And I want to tell you, those questions are just meaningless conflicts, battles that are just not worth fighting. Yes, you need to think through them, but it's not something that you need to keep on holding on to. As an adult, you can rebuild your life as many times as you go down without any doubts or questions. If you are less logical or more emotional like me, then I have a process for you to go through. Find out the answers to all your unknown questions and doubts that lie within yourself. But I want you to do one thing first. Go to aparnajadhav.com and download your free ebook of my book that is called Paradise Up. You don't even need a credit card for that. Just tell us where you want to send it and we'll send it to you. You read it and then find the solutions for yourself. For more support, you can join our free WhatsApp community. The details are there in the comments. Okay. Take care.